I'm gonna show you how to eat it, okay? But I'm not gonna eat it. I'm just gonna show you. I'm just gonna show you.
At least try biting it off.
I'm just gonna show you how to eat it. You grab it by the head, just like this,
Yeah.
and then you
eat it.
you put
Bite
it
it.
on. And then you bite it, right?
Yeah.
That's salty.
So this is our last day in Vietnam. We are in the Sofitel Plaza in Saigon, and we're about to go to the Ban Tan market, right?
Ben Tan.
Ben Tan. Or Ban Tan. I don't know how to pronounce it. Don't kill me. A little nervous because we're about to eat the coconut worm, and these past few days, at least for me, like my stomach has been done.
For everyone in our group.
Or everyone in our group, our stomach has been done, either due to alcohol or the ice here. I don't know how all those food vloggers in Vietnam. Oh, sorry, the lighting. I don't know how all those few food vloggers in Vietnam do it. It's insane. They eat the street food and their stomach, I guess, is okay, or they just don't vlog that part where they're in the washroom half the time.
Used to keep it cool, used to be a fool. All about the bounce in my step. Watch it on the news, what you gonna do? I could hit refresh and forget. Used to keep it cool. Should I?
Wait, you're eating one.
No, we're both eating.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They are yellow, you freaking liar.
You have white ones.
3, 2.
1, go.
Just do it. Alright, I'm freaking out.
Oh my
Let me show you what we're about to eat right here.
Yo, grab them by the head, yo.
This is
A worm. Don't eat the black part.
Keep it light. Is that right? Way up we go. Been up and down that road. Way up, oh no. We gon' burn the whole house down.
I'm about to eat this right now.
Hold on, hold it
Has
up.
been ranked 2 out of 10 by the Food Ranger. And we are
Lee is about to take his first bite. Oh my god! We'll take a break.
Watch me standing in line. You're only serving lies. You got something to hide. We gon' burn the whole house down.
Hey, how you doing, man?
They're about to do something
Hey,
incredible.
let's do a countdown just like you did, because that gave me the most courage.
But I bit it and it didn't like rip off. That's the problem.
Obviously not. You're
It's just juice that came out of the fucking worm.
What?
One. Let's go. Let's do it.
Another countdown.
I can't do it.
Oh my god! Did you do it? He didn't do it.
Here we go. 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Why are you fucking doing it? Fucking do it! Stop being fucking pussies!
Okay, try it.
You wouldn't do it.
I fucking do it. I was allergic to a maggot.
I'm not allergic to me.
He's allergic for real.
If I was not allergic to it, I'd eat it.
5, 4, 3, 2.
I really was gonna do it. Oh my.
3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Here we go. Go. Bite. Stop it. Bite it.
Mo. Ha.
Hi.
Bye. Yo.
Here we go. Here, you want a life?
Yeah. Go ahead. Yeah.
Like the whole thing.
Yeah. There it is.
There it is. There it is.
Chew it.
He bit half. That was half. So.
So sad.
Oh god. Tell us. The
What is it?
experience.
What does it taste like?
Oh god. How it is.
It's in your nose.
Tastes like cheese.
Yeah. Smell like cheese.
It's cheesy.
Let me.
Okay, Kev.
Oh,
Your turn.
that's-
Go ahead.
Hold on. I'm just gonna.
Yo, that was in his mouth, man.
Oh,
It's even gross.
I'm just gonna taste it. Yeah. Pretty good, man. Pretty good. Because if your chopsticks fall and it's in your mouth, that thing's gonna bite you. Oh, he took a bite. He's taking a bite.
That is.
He's taking. Oh, did he take a bite? No, he's still on.
Right there. Don't stop. Pick it up by its
Oh
You can do it. Now hold it.
Oh
hold
my
it with
God.
your finger on
Oh
the
my
head.
God.
Hold the finger on your head.
What?
Come on, you can do it.
Do it.
Do it.
Oh my God. Oh, the whole thing.
There you go. Now there.
All of
Scoop
it.
up. Slurp it up.
Oh my God. Okay. Lee. 80,000 dong.
You can do it.
Right there.
I got. That's as much as I'll do. If I can chew this stuff.
Do it.
Oh my God.
Pay for this shit. Now let's get out of it.
He's a good at. He's a.
Yeah, used to let it go, walk into the show.